my beautiful sunray. A touch of morning light has broken the window pane. The orange of its beauty is transparent and making the scene. Life begins again to dream, with a warmth and an inner smile. Embers build the morning flames to light the warrior's way. Every new beginning a promise, a torch passed so darkness fades. Those that left us lonely, they've had their words to say. The lonely songbird sings, now I've faced the rain, it's my day, goodbye dark clouds, hello, my beautiful sunray. A touch of morning light broke the window pane. And though I see right through it now, you know the darkness starts to fade. And those that leave us lonely, well, they have had their words to say. The songbird sings, well, I have faced the rain, I have faced the rain. I walk in the mansion, Wani is my name. Can't keep my spirit down, 'cause darkness always fades, and as the nighttime fades away, an inner smile takes its place. The warrior now sees morning ember in the flame, and those that leave us lonely, they have had their words to say. The lonely songbird sings, Lord, I have faced the rain, I have faced the rain. I walk in the mansion, Wani is my name. You can't keep my spirit down, 'cause darkness always fades. You can't keep my spirit down.